Action.
Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
What's your name? What is your name?
My name is Melody.
Good morning, Melody.
Yes, today was Hardy Cardi.
Very good. What about today?
Today was
Is
cloudy.
yes. What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be sunny.
Very good. Let's come over here.
I see a summer.
Who is this?
Teacher Vicky in summer.
Very good.
I eat ice cream in park
In
in
spring. Very good. Let's come down. You're so tall.
I hear a ghost
Ooh.
in fall.
So scary.
I smell Papa in winter.
Very good, Melody. Say I.
Finish them.
Huh?
I finish them.
Thank you, Melody.